Need a quick way to manage and track your event bookings in one place? In this video, you'll learn how to search, view, export, and send invoices using Eventin's powerful booking dashboard. First, head over to the booking section of Eventin. Here you'll see all the listed bookings. From this page, you can search and filter your preferred events using different criteria. Let's see how it works. Go to the upper search bar and type the event name. Once you select the event, you'll see all the booking details related to it. You can also find a booking using the booking ID. Just enter the ID and it will appear instantly. Now, click the View Details button to check the full booking information. There's more you can do. If you want to resend invoices to users, just click on the three dots beside the booking, choose Resend Invoice, and hit Send. Also, from this panel, you can import and export booking data. Eventin supports both JSON and CSV formats for that, making data handling easier. That's all for today. We hope this quick tutorial helped you understand Eventin's booking management feature better. If there's a specific topic you'd like us to cover, let us know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and follow us on our social channels for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.